At YOURmeds, we want to help people become more independent by putting the user back in charge of their medication with the support of their network. Our company is built upon 3 core principles: inclusivity, empowerment, and independence. We believe everyone has a right to use what we produce and that no one should be excluded. Our products allow people to be consulted, and that process of empowerment leads to better outcomes. This is also reflected in the NICE guidelines. Thirdly, our solutions should help people remain independent. Our products have been created so that the power of analytical data can be used for improving outcomes. The NHS spends £18.9 billion on medication each year, with £8.9 billion prescribed in the community and primary care. The World Health Organization and NHS estimate that only 50% of all medication is taken as prescribed. Medication only works if it is taken, but it needs to be taken at the right time. YOURmeds provides an easy-to-use system that can monitor when people take their medication. The YOURmeds system has 4 parts to it: an electronic smart tag device that alarms and shows what number to take, a smart pack that is an electronic circuit that works with the smart tag, apps for the user support network, and a web-based monitoring portal which shows the data analytics. This is the YOURmeds pack. It looks a bit like an advent calendar. The smart tag at the top of the pack displays the number. The user sees the number and opens the corresponding box and takes the medication inside. The tag works off mobile data, and it will connect to the strongest signal, so the user does not require Wi-Fi or broadband. The pack is filled by the pharmacist and delivered in full working condition to the user. The timings can be adjusted remotely, so if a GP wants someone to stop taking their 2 p.m. medication, the pharmacist can switch off the 2 p.m. prompt directly from the pharmacy without having to bring the pack back. The tag has a 9-day charge for a 7-day solution. It is recharged by a standard USB cable. It is a Class 1 medical device, and we are ISO 27001 accredited, so you can be assured your data is secure. Each user can nominate up to 5 people to support them to take their medication on time. Each supporter is given a unique login via an app downloadable off the App Store or Google Play Store that shows which medications are due today, tomorrow, and were due yesterday. 10 minutes after the initial alarm, the first supporter is informed. Every 10 minutes, a new supporter is informed. So if you know you are the 3rd supporter in this case, you need to do something, which is to make an in-app call to the user and prompt them to take their medication. Certain councils are using their telecare service as a 5th supporter and will provide an intervention if the rest of the support network failed to make the call. So how does the referral process work? First, the patient or service user is identified or assessed as being suitable. Second, we offer the chance for the client's pharmacy to work with us. If they say no, we find an alternative. Third, the pharmacy delivers the medication to the user in the YOURmeds pack. We believe it's very important that only pharmacists fill our boxes. Unqualified people can make errors, compounding problems. At YOURmeds, we love data. We know when a user has taken their medication, if the medication was taken too late or too early, if the medication has been missed, or if they've tried to access multiple rounds of medication. The data we collect can be used proactively, as in West Lothian Council, who are using the data to provide a daily cognitive assessment. Councils and support networks can choose which notifications they would like to receive, and this is tailored at the user level. This is unique to YOURmeds. Analysing the data helps to build up a profile of the user and allows effective intervention to take place. Knowing whether service users are taking their medication is an important component to any AI or algorithm that aims to predict service user behaviour, for example, probability for an episode and so on. So YOURmeds offers a dual role in being a standalone product as well as a key component of remote monitoring and predictive systems. We operate an open API and are happy to integrate our data into remote monitoring and predictive systems. Before YOURmeds, West Lothian Council offered service users a 15-minute medication visit. These visits have been replaced with YOURmeds. Looking at the data from 8 individuals showed cost savings of just over £27,000 and a return on investment of 9 times. So what do our users think of our technology? I feel that YOURmeds has put me back in control of managing my own meds with a little prompt. I've tried various methods of reminders to help my adherents with taking my meds without any success. However, YOURmeds ticks all the boxes. YOURmeds has helped set my mind at ease knowing that I can be assured that my dad is safe in taking his meds correctly and has the backup of alerts going through to Careline if he opens too many pods. I think the third statement highlights the peace of mind YOURmeds can provide to carers. Some carers were travelling backwards and forwards to help with medication. Implementing YOURmeds has shown that carer fatigue is reduced, plus the carer can spend meaningful time with the service user rather than spending that time commuting. We are using YOURmeds and re-enablement services and have started a conversation with a number of councils about using YOURmeds in hospital discharge services. Our flexible programme allows you to flip the tags between users should they only need support for 6 to 8 weeks. If you'd like to discuss how to start using YOURmeds, please contact me, Priti Patel, on 07905 256769 or email me at priti.patel@yourmeds.net. Thank you.